Alright guys, today we'll be installing the Noble Rain Guard on a VB chassis WRX. It is a 2022 premium trim. So there are a few different versions of these in the market. The OEM version just looks too plain and old for me. It looks like it's from the 90s. And the Aeroflow Dynamics version looks just like this, but it has the logo on there, which I prefer not to have. I just like it a little bit cleaner and just a bit more aggressive than the OEM version. This should be pretty easy. It just mounts on with double-sided 3M tape. There's a notch right there which mates with the door trim, so it should be pretty easy to line it up. So we'll be following the standard recommendation for installing products with 3M tapes, which basically involves that you got to make sure that the temperature is around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And before you install the product, you got to clean the surface with alcohol. Sometimes people would just peel the corner of the 3M tape and then line it up and then peel the rest of the tape. But this is so easy where I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of the backing of the tape. I start with lining up the corner of the bigger side and then make sure that the front side of the car is also lined up and then start applying pressure. After that, you got to apply some pretty good pressure for about 30 seconds. So this is kind of a best effort type of thing because it's kind of hard to, apply consistent pressure on it. And just repeat the same process for the back side and the opposite side, and you're all set. And here it is, the final product. Gives it a bit more aggressive look and also a bit functional. Here's how it looks from the inside. It's almost like a very dark tint. You can definitely see through it. It's almost like it's about 5% tint. This video is not sponsored, but I'll put a link in the description below of where I got this from. As always, thanks for watching, and hit a like and subscribe button for lots more VBWX videos coming up. Take care.